Closed the first half of the year, the Homestead National Monument of America near Beatrice reopened to the public in June, and by using in-person and digital means, was able to continue telling the homesteading story to the public. It required the homestead to look at its overall operation and how it serves the public.
Normally people see us when they come in through the front doors and see us at the information desk, and yes, they could still see us like that, but like many of those groups in the past, the school groups that had come to see us, they were now visiting us virtually through distance learning technology that we'd been actually utilizing here for nearly 20 years in partnership with ESU number 5. In addition to that, many of our programs, they also converted to virtual programs.
The homestead hopes to finish work on the history of black homesteaders this coming year, working with the University of Nebraska Center for Great Plains Studies, history that will be shown in the park but on digital sources as well. Monument staff were able to complete work such as talking with thousands of genealogists about their homesteading ancestors, and also maintenance such as installing new shutters and windows on the Freeman School, which gets a new roof this coming year. Engler says work is also planned at the Heritage Center,
where we're starting to see some wear and tear on those exhibits. We're going to be repairing those, and also rehabbing some of those exhibits that need to be updated from the standpoint of having new scholarship and expanding the story.
Out on the prairie and outside park buildings, fixtures will see repair work this year, along with new fencing.
Last year, we installed nearly a mile of split rail fence, replacing rotten, deteriorated fencing. This year we're going to be finishing up with that project and putting in place new display fencing that shows the varieties of types of fencing that early homesteaders would have had and used throughout the Great Plains.
The National Monument hopes to bring back events in their traditional form, such as the Tallgrass Prairie Fiddle Festival and the Homestead Days celebration. Health and safety of the public and staff at the monument were paramount during this pandemic year. Visitation, Engler says, saw some months with counts that were up and others down as people restricted their activity due to the coronavirus. The National Monument is in the process of installing an electric vehicle charging station for public use at the parking lot of the Heritage Center, a project in conjunction with Nebraska Public Power District, Norris Public Power, the Nebraska Environmental Trust, and the Friends of the Homestead organization. It will be ready in early 2021. From Beatrice, Doug Kennedy, News Channel, Nebraska.